everyone, today I am excited to tell you about the Pragnya Scholarship from EDUCAIT. It's all about helping the students afford the education so that they can chase their dream without worrying about the money. So stay tuned to know more about this awesome opportunity. The Pragnya Scholarship embodies a mission of EDUCAIT to revolutionize the education through innovative evaluation methods and commitment to transparency. By providing a financial assistance, this scholarship aims to create a level playing field for the students from the diverse background, fostering academic excellence and a personal growth. The Pragnya Scholarship, more than just a financial assistance, it provides access to a quality education and opportunity for personal and academic growth. By receiving this scholarship, you can join the community dedicated to excellence and lifelong learning. Together we pave the way to a brighter future. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait, not only scholarship, now you can check even the internship opportunity information on our portal. Ensure that you have a following documents ready to apply for this scholarship: Aadhaar card, income proof, address proof, previous year marks card, parent salary bank statement, fees receipts, valid email ID and phone number, and any other supporting documents that will strengthen your application. To apply for Pragnya Scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box. You will be redirected to the application, where first you need to enter your name and a valid mobile number and click on the checkbox that defines that you are a human being, not a robot. Then verify your mobile number with an OTP. After that, you will be redirected to the application, where you need to fill out the basic details like father name, mother name, phone number of the parents, then residential address along with the state, district and pin code. Select the gender you belong to, enter the Aadhaar card and annual family income. Then provide the academic details like the school or the college you are studying in, name of the institution. Then select the class, that is you are studying in 5 to 10 or 11 to 12 or undergraduation course accordingly. Then you need to enter your previous academic percentage or the CGPA. If you need more alerts on scholarships and internship, then you need to upgrade to Plus. Not only alerts, you will get a support and guidance from the experts. And even you will get a statistics of the scholarship, like how many have applied for these scholarships and what all the chances you have for winning this particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only $599, and the best part is you can access this platform for lifetime or till you complete your education. Now let's come back to the apply process video, where you need to upload your supporting documents like report card, address proof and bank statement, and any other family member are earning in your family, then provide the bank statement of the same. Fees details, income proof and any other supporting documents which may help you to apply for this scholarship are to be uploaded, then click on the submit button. To be eligible for the Pragnya Scholarship, applicant must be a citizen of India regardless of gender and the category. Applicant must have secured minimum of 75% in previous academic year. While this scholarship is open for all state, but the preference will be given to the students of Karnataka. Family annual income should not exceed more than 3 lakhs rupees. And the scholarship is open for the students who are studying from class 5 to till undergraduation in varied courses. And for more information about scholarship and internship, visit the Global Scholarship.